Welcome to the kitchen. Get ready, let's go. It's cooking with Jack. Put on a tasty show.
We did the social media chili last week. So we're going to do this a little different. We're going to show you the championship spice blend. That's the words of AI. Okay? AI says this recipe will destroy the competitor. So we're first going to put together all the seasoning, show you that. Then there's a few secret ingredients. We're going to put that together in a bowl, show you that. Then we're going to brown our meat and put everything together. Okay? But they basically said the ingredients, championship. The other ingredients, the special ingredients, they think they're in a real competition, by the way, or she does. She says the judges will be wowed by the flavor of these ingredients. So let's get it together and see what happens. Okay, guys, I got the recipe down below. Measurements are down below. I'm just eyeballing it, okay? Let's start with pepper, black pepper. Okay. Chili powder. Cilantro. There we go. Put that on there. This is McCormick does an ancho chili. So we're going to use that today. Smoked paprika. Love this stuff. Can never put enough in. Cumin, or however you pronounce it. Last but not least, we're going to do a little bit of oregano. You can use Mexican oregano like the recipe says. I'm good with regular oregano. To me, it makes no difference. There is a flavor difference though, but I'm using regular, okay? Got the whole spice blend in, okay? Okay guys, once again, these are special, not normally used ingredients. Little apple cider, little brown sugar. All right, we got a thing of Nescafe Gold Espresso. We're gonna put a little bit of that in there. There we go. Okay, ready for this? A little fish sauce, no lie, and last but not least, little Hershey's cocoa powder. Get that all mixed in. This is gonna make the judges go, wow. That's a championship spice blend. Let me clear this all. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. Let's talk about the meat. Okay? Put that over there. She literally said, I say she, because I gave my AI a name. Her name is Grace. I know AIs don't have genders, but I call her Grace. So get over it. Anyway. So Grace said, use stew meat and ground beef. 2 different types. Gives it a better texture on your mouth. Meat to chew. Meat that's easy and loose. Gives it a beautiful texture on your tongue. We'll find out. I don't know. But she said, cook this hard. Like you would a smash burger. Cook this hard. Get it a little crispy. Cook this normal. Brown this normal. Brown this hard. Let me brown the meat. I'll be right back here with the meat, and then we'll throw everything together. All right, guys, let's get started. We're gonna start with the protein. All the meat, you can see, is all browned. Some of it's crispy. The ground beef is. Okay. Then we're gonna go to, I use bone broth. You can use beef broth, beef stock, whatever you want. About a cup of that. Okay. Put that off to the side. About a cup of beer. I didn't open it all the way, so I'm gonna squeeze it a little bit to get it going. Okay, about a cup of beer, got that. We're gonna sit here, our championship spice blend. Throw that in. All of our secret ingredients look like they stuck to the bowl a little bit. So we're gonna use that tip again and put a little beer. There we go. Use the beer, swirl it around, pour it all in. Nice. Onions. Throw that in. Red bell pepper. Throw that in. Crushed tomatoes. Throw that in. This is always an issue. A lot of people like to cut open on when they're putting in tomato paste. They'll also cut the bottom lid and let it slide out. I'm gonna squeeze it because I don't need the whole can. Okay, got your beans, pinto beans. She did kidney beans. She didn't do black beans, which is interesting. I think that's it. Hold on a minute. Let me give my trusty little stir. All right, so we're gonna let this cook for 20 minutes. This is the mathematics. 4 hours on high in the slow cooker, 8 hours on low in the slow cooker, 20 minutes in the pressure cooker. I ain't got 4 hours, so I'm using the pressure cooker. This will be done in 20 minutes. All right, guys, while the chili is in the pressure cooker, I'm thinking about the next AI battle. I put you guys up against AI chili, but I don't want to do that again. I want to do something a little different. I'm thinking about doing Cracker Barrel meatloaf, I have the recipe, and AI meatloaf. See which one's better. Some people hate meatloaf, but maybe we'll do that. Let me know in the comments what you think. All right, guys, before we put any cheese or sour cream on it, got 2 bowls for sampling. I gotta tell you, it smells better than last week. I'm gonna tell you right now. And it looks better. Okay, guys, let's get some spoons and try this out. All right, sweetie, you're gonna give it a try. First, is it better than last week? And is it good? Do you recommend it?
Is it gonna be hot like last week and you didn't tell me?
No, not at all. It'll be less hot. It doesn't have chipotle peppers in it. I mean,
good. I mean, I like them, but
it's gonna be a lot. This smells better. Is Is it hot?
No, it's not hot at all. I mean, it's temperature hot, but
Right.
like not spicy. It's
Okay.
it's
It's
just
not
missing.
better.
It's just missing like flavor. Like
What? It's you have no idea what's in it.
I'm just telling you,
It's got more flavor in it than last week.
It's just missing something.
Okay.
But
So you like last week's
I
better?
think last week's is better.
So we beat AI.
Yeah, and so
Yeah.
it's missing.
All right.
It just tastes like chili. Doesn't even taste like good Hormel chili or
Oh my God, Hormel chili's crap.
no, that's good stuff.
All right, say goodbye.
Bye.